In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and resize pictures for your Acuity scheduling site in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner or someone managing a schedule, visual elements can enhance your page's appeal and make it more user-friendly. So let's get started on this simple process, which is quite intuitive once you know your way around. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and head to the Acuity scheduling website. Once there, look for the login button and give it a click. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, so go ahead and type it in and then click Next to proceed. If you prefer a streamlined login process, you can opt to continue with Google. Just click on the Continue with Google option and select the appropriate Google account you wish to use. Once you've successfully logged into your Acuity account, navigate to your dashboard. You'll find this option on the upper section of your screen, and this is your central hub for managing all things related to scheduling. From the dashboard, move on to the scheduling page where you can adjust various settings. Next, let's dive into the actual customization part. Click on Settings to access a variety of customization features. Here, under the Logo section, you'll want to select Choose File. This action will open up a window on your computer, allowing you to browse your existing files and select the image you want to upload as your logo. If your primary goal is to include images within your scheduling instructions, simply look for the section labeled Scheduling Instructions. You'll see an option labeled Insert Image. By clicking on this, you open the door to insert an image either from your existing library or by uploading a new one. Choose File to locate the image file you want on your device and upload it directly. Once your image is successfully inserted, the next step involves resizing if necessary. Unfortunately, the Acuity platform doesn't offer advanced image editing tools, but you can always resize your images beforehand using editing software before uploading. To wrap things up, after you've added all your desired images, the last step is crucial. Make sure to click Save Changes to ensure that your adjustments are applied and visible on your scheduling page. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you've effectively enhanced your Acuity scheduling site with compelling images or logos, adding a more personal touch to your booking page. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to explore more customization options to further tailor your site to your preferences. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly updated schedule page.